Good.
What the hell happened anyway?
Someone threw a smoke bomb.
Yeah. Someone threw a smoke grenade in the hallway.
Who was it?
I don't know. Where's Woody? Because they'll probably yell at me if I haven't stop.
It wasn't me.
What's going on? Oh, you're getting
Oh,
bulls.
shit.
Getting bulls.